We'll guide you through how to choose Mailchimp plans. If you find this helpful, consider subscribing and liking the video. First, go to the Mailchimp website and log into your account. Once you're on the dashboard, look towards the top right-hand corner and click on your profile icon. From the drop-down menu that appears, select Account and Billing. This will take you to a new page where you'll see various tabs. Click on the Billing tab to view the different Mailchimp plans available. Mailchimp offers several plans tailored to different needs, ranging from the free plan for basic email marketing to more advanced options like the Essentials, Standard, and Premium plans, each offering a variety of features and subscriber limits. Take your time to review the features of each plan and compare them with what you need. For instance, if you're just starting and have a small list of subscribers, the free plan might be enough. But if you need advanced features like A/B testing or more detailed audience insights, you might want to consider the Standard or Premium plans. You can even click on Compare Plans to see a side-by-side comparison of all the features. Once you decide on a plan, click on Select next to the plan you want. You'll be guided through the checkout process, where you can enter payment information and confirm your purchase. Remember, you can always upgrade or downgrade as your needs change. Don't forget to subscribe and comment if this helped you out.